So do you ever find yourself in the situation where you have no idea what to create your YouTube video on? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to never run out of any YouTube ideas and how to create content for months and months to come. I'm going to show you exactly what I do in this video. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow your online business, and how to grow your affiliate marketing business as well. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. So guys, I understand this was my problem when I first started. I'm going to show you my method on how I get a ton of video ideas, how I get so many ideas where I don't even have time to like make all these videos, but I'm going to show you how to never run out of ideas. Also guys, I'm going to give you guys a bonus at the end of this video on how you can get started with 50 ideas and scripts. And I'm going to show you that at the end of this video, so make sure to stick to the end. But let me show you what I do, okay guys? So when you're thinking of video ideas, this is what you want to do. So obviously you have your niche, right? So whatever it is, fitness, make money online. So what you do, this is kind of the hack that I do, okay? So if you go to YouTube and just type in, best, let's just say we're doing fitness, right? So best fitness tips, okay? So what I do is I look for at least 10 channels, okay? At least 10 YouTube channels that you can model, okay? And let's just say this one right here, okay? Fit with L, okay? Let's just click this one here. So what you want to do is you want to go to this person's YouTube channel and you want to sort by the top videos, okay? And there's a few reasons why you want to do this. For one, you can see what videos they're posting, and two, you can see what videos are proven to already do well on YouTube, which is very important when you're first starting out. And this method works if you're an absolute beginner with 0 subscribers, or you have 1,000 subscribers and you just don't have any video ideas. This method works either way, okay? So what you do is you go to the channel, you're gonna go to videos, and basically what we do here is you're gonna sort by top videos, okay? Or most popular, okay? So what we do now is you're gonna wanna do this with at least 10 channels, and you're gonna wanna create a spreadsheet. I'm gonna show you exactly what type of spreadsheet to create, okay? But you can see here, so she's not that big of a channel yet, only 10,000 subscribers, but she's getting, like this video here, top 10 fitness tips, okay? So this is a video you can model as well, okay? So what you want to do is start creating a spreadsheet of videos that you can create, okay? So she doesn't have too much content on here, so you want to create you want to find channels that have, at least 100 videos, that way you can have more data. But basically, get the YouTube link and get the title and get the title of the video, and then create the spreadsheet. Let me show you the spreadsheet that we create here. So this is what I do with my one-on-one clients. I have them create the competitor keyword here, and then I have them put their own keyword, okay? But what we do is we're actually having them do, I'm having them create like a ton of keywords, a ton of video ideas, guys, and you never run out of ideas like this, okay? This is exactly what I do in creating ideas, okay? And obviously you can have your own ideas, but this will help you start thinking about like what type of videos should I actually make. So with this strategy here, you're actually getting videos that are proven to already do well, because let's just say we go to a bigger channel. Let's go to one that has more subscribers, more videos, and basically what you do here is you find these channels. Let me see if I can go back. You find these channels with a ton of subscribers, that's proven to already do well. Let's just see this one right here, okay? 10 muscle building tips. Let's look at this guy here, fat loss experts, okay? And obviously pick videos that you can recreate and model after. Don't do something that you couldn't do, but this is why you do this method, right? You get 10 channels that you can pretty much recreate. So for example, even if like it's not like in this type of format, you kind of still get an idea, right? So if we go to most popular, you can see what videos people are searching for and what videos are already proven to do well, okay? So if you're in the fitness niche, I would literally get all these videos, put them in a spreadsheet, and now you have I would fill this out to at least 100 videos. That way you have months and months of content out already, okay? So that's something that I highly recommend you guys do. And that's literally just what I do to have hundreds and hundreds of ideas, with my channel. So like for me, I already have this whole year mapped out on what type of content I want to create. Of course, I'll have ideas in between where, okay, I want to create this video and it's not part of my content spreadsheet, but I still have that spreadsheet that like I literally have so much videos that I'm going to create. I literally don't have time, which is a good problem, right? So anyways, that's basically what I do on how I never run out of YouTube ideas. And like, you know, the biggest thing with this is like you're picking videos that are already proven, right? All these videos have millions of views and you're recreating them. You know, I always tell my one-on-one clients, well, you have to, you know, now your job is to have a better title, better thumbnail, better description, and then we can actually beat that video. So that's kind of what, you know, how we kind of do it. But anyways, let me talk to you about the bonus that I want to give you guys and how to get you started. So I created these documents here, okay? So it's a bunch of videos, a bunch of YouTube scripts that can help you get started. So not only the YouTube ideas, but it's actually the video scripts. It's actually like full scripts on, you know, what the video is about. And, you know, it's got pictures. You can literally make a video on these scripts. Like this is super, super valuable. I spent hours and hours making these scripts here, okay? So I'm giving these out for free if you purchase the new Traffic Secrets book. Okay, so let me show you what that is if you don't know. So basically, Russell Brunson created a new book called Traffic Secrets. If you're watching this video, you know, it could be already out, but the release date is March 17, 2020. And if you're watching this after the release date, that's okay. You can still get this bonus. So basically, I'm giving these scripts out absolutely free, okay? And this will help you get started with your YouTube video ideas. Plus, you don't even have to think about the video. The actual video is already done for you. Well, not the video, but the script is already done for you. You just got to create the video, right? So I'm giving these out for free if you purchase the Traffic Secrets book, which I believe it is. It will be free and then plus shipping, so like maybe like $7. So that's basically my bonus. To get signed up on the wait list, guys, basically there will be the first link in the description below, and it's going to take you through my Facebook Messenger bot. So it's going to take you through something like this, and then it's going to ask you for an email, and then you'll be on my wait list, okay? And if you're watching this after, then you're just going to get redirected to the actual website where you'll then you can buy the Traffic Secrets book, and then you'll get the bonus, okay? So that's basically one of my bonuses for purchasing the Traffic Secrets. If you want to get on this waitlist, click on the first link in the description, guys. That's going to take you through and how to get on the waitlist. So anyways, I hope this video was of value, and you know, this is basically what I do to get a ton of YouTube ideas. Like literally anyone can do this. You know, if you're a beginner, even if you have 100,000 YouTube subscribers, this method is amazing. I've been doing this, you know, since I started my channel, and you know, I have a ton of great, you know, I have a lot of good content. You know, some of it is, you know, content that I had ideas, but a lot of it was, you know, ideas that I modeled from other channels. So anyways, guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video, give me a comment, and make sure you get on that wait list to buy Traffic Secrets so you can get this bonus here and get you started with your YouTube channel. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk soon.